Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
To begin, access the Google Ads platform, which is where you manage all YouTube campaigns. Navigate to Campaigns and select New Campaign to start the setup process. You'll then choose your campaign objective, such as sales, leads, or website traffic, which guides the ad format suggestions. Remember, a clear objective helps Google's algorithms optimize for your desired outcome more efficiently. This initial step lays the groundwork for all your subsequent targeting and bidding decisions, so choose wisely. Your choice of ad format significantly impacts audience engagement and campaign goals. For direct response and longer messages, skippable in-stream ads are often effective, as you only pay when viewers watch at least 30 seconds or interact. If your goal is broad reach and strong brand recall, non-skippable or bumper ads ensure your message is fully seen, though they require concise and impactful creative. Consider your video content length and message complexity when making this crucial decision, aligning format with your overall strategy. YouTube's robust targeting options allow for incredible precision, vital in 2025. You can target based on age, gender, parental status, and household income. Beyond demographics, explore custom intent audiences, reaching people actively searching for specific products or services on Google. Affinity audiences help you connect with people passionate about relevant topics, while life events targeting allows you to reach users during significant moments. Tailoring your audience drastically improves ad performance and minimizes wasted ad spend, focusing on genuine interest. Successfully managing your budget and bidding is key to profitability. For conversion-focused campaigns, maximize conversions or target CPA. Let Google's AI optimize bids for the most efficient cost per action. If brand visibility is paramount, target CPM ensures your ad is seen by as many relevant users as possible. A reasonable starting daily budget could be $10, $20, allowing for sufficient data collection. Continuously review your chosen strategy against actual performance to ensure you're getting the best return on investment for every dollar spent. Optimizing your YouTube ads is an ongoing process that refines performance. Pay close attention to your view rate, aiming for above 20–25% for skippable ads, indicating strong initial engagement. High click-through rates, ideally above 0.5–1%, suggest your call to action is compelling. If your conversions are low, consider refining your landing page or offer. Adjust bids, audience segments, and ad creatives based on these insights every 3–5 days. Consistent optimization ensures your campaigns remain effective and profitable over time, adapting to audience behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.